Welcome guys, today I'm going to show you how you can pair your Motorola Escape 500 ANC headphones to your Android smartphone. So at first we have to grab them and rotate like that, and we have to take a look on this power button. We have to click and hold it until this indicator simply start blinking on the blue. So let's make it. Click and hold it. As you can see, indicator is blinking right now. Let me just catch focus. Okay, so it will blink like that. Right now we can release, put them back, open Bluetooth settings on our Android smartphone, click to pair new device, and select Escape 500 ANC. Click pair. Now just wait, and after a few seconds we'll be successfully connected. So that's how you can make it. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.